I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Hey Any Army, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a soft glam makeup look. Ooh wee, my mirror is dirty. Hey Any Army, it's Ashley and HEYYY. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a soft glam makeup look. This look is mostly going to be focused on the eyes and the lips. You all have seen me do my facial routine before, so I am going to add it into the video, but probably just speed it up a little bit because I do want to listen to my music and jam some. But so far I've done my brows. I've put a little bit of my Laura Mercier onto my lids as well as my concealer, just to have like a blank canvas. So now I'm just going to go in with my eyeshadow brush, and of course I don't have the eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to be going in with my Morphe palette. This one is the 350 but number 2, and I'm just going to take these two shades and just go in to my eye. And right now I'm not gonna like do any transition shades or anything. Well, I guess these kind of are, but mostly I'm focused on just having a little bit of color there. So now I'm gonna go in with this shade and this shade. Y'all, I wish I had the names, but I don't. I usually don't throw those little clear things away, but I did. So we're just basically just focusing on making the eye look just a little bit more, I guess, warm. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go through and blend this out. And then I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and we'll come back for the eyes at the end. Okay, y'all, I am back. Y'all have seen that I have my foundation and everything laid down. So I'm gonna go back into this Morph palette, and I'm just gonna take that light shade with my finger, and I'm just going to wipe this on my lid. I actually kind of like sometimes when it looks like it's like sandy and then you like fall into the desert, if y'all know what I mean. So that's what I'm gonna do with my eyes. And then I'm going to take my, what is this? My lip liner, but I'm gonna use it just to make sure that there's like some type of line on my eye. Ooh. Okay, cool. So those are the eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna spray my face. Just make sure our edges are covered. Go in with our beauty blender and just make sure everything is meshed. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do for our like color is I am going to, with this flat brush, and I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop glitter. It's a little bit broken actually. Let's dump that in there so we don't have any problems. This is in the color Sequin, and I'm just going to dip this in here really good and then put that in my inner eye corner. And I may have to grab it a little because it looks like it's not popping up. Okay, yes, so you know it's the holidays, so this is just giving us like a pop of soft glam glitter right in the eye. What I'm doing is I'm taking it and I'm brushing it forward into my eye, so it's kind of going into that eye crease or that eye flab or whatever you want to call it. And I'm just gonna make sure that this is like very, very noticeable, because this is pretty much all we're gonna do for the eyes, and then we're gonna have a bold lip. So, and then to make this pop a little bit more, I'm just gonna go right over it with, this is actually the Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlight Palette, but I'm gonna take the lightest highlighter in here, and I'm just gonna go in. I need to scoop my chair up, y'all. It look like I'm leaning. Go into there and then just kind of dust that on top without rubbing the red away. We just want to brighten it up and make it look nice and like pixie and fairy-like and iridescent. Same Morph palette, and just take my red shades like I always do, but in here I usually use like a little bit of darker ones. So I'm gonna go in with this wine looking color, this one, and then the darker one just to top it off. And we're just going to go with our eye just to have some color here. And y'all know I usually do this anyway, so just so our eye isn't bare. And then, of course, take our blending brush and blend it out. So now I'm gonna take my Pixie Glow Rose Mist, and I'm just going to spray my face one more time, mainly focusing on the cheeks. So now that we can go in, take that same Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant palette and highlight our face. Ooh. Also going to focus on that light color and bring that up into my brow highlight. I was that person in like the highlighter craze that went nuts and stupid with the highlighter, and I still do, but I just make sure that it's like you know, toned down. Like you'll see me from across the room and not from miles away. So now y'all know me. I'm gonna go in and do some faux freckles. I know I almost went without them, but it's just a mood for me. Like, to me, it just makes every look even better. All right, y'all, so now the last thing that we're going to do is our lips. So I'm going in with this NYX True Matte liquid lipstick. This is in the color Cocoa Bean. This is literally my favorite because it's red, but it's brown. So y'all are about to see. This is about to make the whole look pop. Don't have to put it on perfect because now I'm about to go in with my lip gloss. Oh my gosh, do y'all see how that just took this look up like 10 notches? And it's just giving me 90s. Hold on, let me take my scarf off and put my earrings in so y'all can get the full effect. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I'm literally giving y'all 90s soft glam realness. I went ahead and put the pearls in my ears, and this look is just so bomb because it's so simple. Like the eyes, anyone can do. I literally just went in and threw on some mascara on my lashes. If you wanted to throw on a lash, you could really make this pop. I really just didn't feel like it, but this lip combo is like one of my favorites. This steps everything up a notch and it just gives you that elegance. Every time I wear this lip, people are like, oh my gosh, you look so classy. They be like, you look way older than you are. And I'm like, thank you. Call me Helen. No, let me quit playing. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I absolutely love this look. It's stunning. Like, it's just, I hope y'all can see. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And it is Vlogmas Day 16 already. We are almost done, y'all. I hope y'all are enjoying these videos and this content that I'm pushing out. So yeah, I love you all so much. I'll see you in the next one.